Introducing our brand new Sorrento jars. These beautiful double-walled vessels come in 5 beautiful colours. We have blue, pink, amber, grey and clear. These ultra-modern vessels are also double-walled, making them perfect for any household. These double-walled vessels are perfectly versatile and are great for introducing botanicals. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own Sorrento candle, and for this you're going to need your Sorrento jar, some pure soy wax. You're also going to need a jug, a pair of scales, a bamboo stirrer, your stickums, an LCS 100 wick, a stiff wick and your fragrance. The first thing to do is to prepare your vessel. I have chosen an LCS 100 wick. This is to fit the diameter and also ensures a nice even burn. So first thing you're going to do is take your stickum and place it to the bottom of your wick. Peel off the protective layer and you're going to add that to the centre of the bottom of your vessel. So our Sorrento jars hold 350 grams of wax. So today we're going to be using 322 grams of wax mixed with 28 grams of fragrance oil. Once you've combined your wax and your fragrance oil, you're going to want to give it a stir for about 1 minute to ensure it's fully combined. We're then going to very slowly pour it into our Sorrento jar. You're then going to leave your fully poured candle to cure for 24 hours. So now that 24 hours has passed, there's nothing left to do but to remove your stiff wick and trim your wick. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.